Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel Cherish Coco. In today's video I'll be showing you how to marinate your beef. All right, let's get started. In here I have my chili and already cut onions, that's ginger, and this is garlic. So I'll be using ginger, garlic, pepper and onions. So I'll go ahead and pour them in a chopper and chop them. I'm not going to blend them smooth, so I'll just chop them up in a tiny pieces. Alright guys, so I'm done blending the pepper. So, and this is what I just want, okay? So it's not a smooth paste. Alright, so I'll go ahead and add the pepper into the beef. I'm really sorry guys, I never knew my camera was off when I was pouring the pepper and the salt. So I added Maggi cubes into it, 6 Maggi cubes into the meat. I already put my salt and the pepper, the blended pepper. So I'll be using another stock Maggi powder. So I'll be adding some thyme into the meat, and I'll be using the nylon thyme, and also I'll be adding my curry into the meat. I'll be adding some curry to the meat. Then I'll go ahead and bay leaf. So this is bay leaf. I'll add the bay leaf and I'll go ahead and mix everything together. Mix the ingredients together with the meat. Mix it properly so that the ingredients can be infused in the meat. Alright, after doing this, I'll go ahead and use my clean film to wrap up the meat, and I'll leave it in the fridge. It depends on when you need yours, so I will leave it in the fridge to just marinate for some hours before boiling the meat and before frying the meat. Alright guys, so this is how to marinate your beef. If you have done this before, or if there's anything missing in this ingredient, just kindly let me know. You can put that in the comment section. And if you have any other idea of marinating yours, let me also hear from you in the comment section. And thank you so much for staying tuned.